Welcome again to Colorado Spine Therapy. This time we're going to talk about sneezing. So, sneezing and back pain, and specifically when the cause of your back pain is a bulging disc. So there's numerous other causes of back pain, but the bulging herniated disc in the back, you want to be definitely careful with sneezing. The summary is sneezing up, meaning when you do have to sneeze and you have back pain because of a bulging disc, this is the best way to sneeze. Up and then sneeze. So it's really, when I play, achoo! You don't want to do this because that worsens that bulge. You want to look up and then sneeze. And of course you cover your mouth because you don't want to spread all those bacteria and so on all over the place. So sneezing with a herniated or bulging disc, sneeze up, look up and then sneeze. Okay? Thank you for watching.